My dear children, welcome to the accountancy class. Today, in this fourth module, we are going to study the issue of debentures at premium and redeemable at par. The redemption of debentures means repayment of debt to the debenture holders. A company can issue debentures at par, at premium, and at discount. These debentures can be repayable at par or at premium. Now we are going to study the important journal entries to be passed in the book of the company when debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at par. For this purpose, first we want to pass the journal entry, that is entry for issue of debentures. The entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application account. The amount transferred to bank account and debenture application account equal to number of debentures issued into issue price. Here the issue price is at premium, that is it may be 110. The entry will be bank account debtor to debenture application account, that is rupees 110. Next we want to pass the journal entry for redemption of debentures. Here the debentures are redeemable at par. So the entry for recording redemption of debenture equal to debenture application account debtor to debenture account. This is the base journal entry for recording redemption entry. The amount transferred to debenture application equal to number of debentures issued into issue price. Here the issue price is 110. So the amount transferred to debenture application account equal to 110 rupees. In all cases, the amount transferred to debenture account equal to only issue price. For example, ABC Limited Company decided to issue debentures at rupees 100. So the amount transferred to debenture account equal to 100. That is the nominal value or face value of the debenture. When debentures are issued at premium, the account of securities premium account should be credited in the redemption entry. The entry will be debenture application account debtor rupees 110 to debenture account issue price, that is 100, to securities premium account the amount is 10. According to matching concept, there is a total of rupees 110 under debit column and rupees 110 under credit column. Bank account debtor to debenture application account with the issue price, then debenture application account debtor with issue price to debenture account with the face value to securities premium account with the premium amount. These are the two journal entries to be passed in the book of the company when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at a premium. The next case is issue of debentures at discount and redeemable at par. When debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par, first we want to pass the journal entry for issue entry. The entry is bank account debtor to debenture application account with a discount amount. Suppose ABC Limited decided to issue debentures at rupees 100 and issue price is 90. There is a discount of 10 rupees. So the amount transferred to bank account debtor to debenture application equal to 90 rupees. Next we want to pass the journal entry for redemption entry. For recording the redemption entry, first we want to pass the basic entry, that is debenture application account with issue price to debenture account with a nominal value. Then add, suppose here the debentures are issued at discount, so we want to debit discount on issue of debenture with rupees 10 rupees. So the entry will be debenture application account rupees 90, discount on issue of debenture account amount 10 to debenture 100. These debentures are redeemable at par, so there is no need to add loss on issue of debenture and premium on redemption of debenture. So the redemption entry will be debenture application account debtor with an amount of 90, Discount on issue of debenture account, amount of 10. Discount amount to debenture account 100 face value or nominal value. These are the two important journal entries to be passed in the book of the company when debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par. Thank you.